everyone. So today I'm just going to do a kind of roundup of all the lovely giveaways and challenges that are going on that I'm aware of at the moment. And ladies, I am late to the party when it comes to this, because some of these challenges have been going on for at least a month, but I have just been literally swept off my feet with so many different things that I haven't had a chance to do this video. So let's get going, because we've waited long enough. So the first lovely lady that I want to speak about today is Kaz0518. She's doing her birthday challenge, and guys, you can see how late to the party I am with this, because her challenge finishes on the 30th of May. And she wanted you to do, I believe, a kind of ATC, no, not a kind of, she wanted you to do an ATC card, and she wanted, and basically I will leave all the links down below of all the different lovely channel. She does do hauls as well, and I have great fun just listening and watching her hauls and seeing her make. So guys, jump over to her channel and take a look. We've also got Crafty Mama Papercraft, and she has reached 500 subscribers, guys, and she's doing a giveaway as well. She's got some lovely prizes, and her channel as well is a lovely channel, and she does videos on using your stash and also some hauls, things that she's bought and things like that. She's got a very lovely channel, very lovely lady as well. And also I have Ashley Paper and Twine. Oh, her channel is so funny. She does lots of lovely funny stories about a guy in a cafe, and I love crafting along and listening to her stories. She's doing a Glad to Be Alive challenge, because she has got victory, guys, in her, well, basically she tells her story on her channel, so you can go over and hear it for yourself, guys. Go over and have a listen. But yeah, she's got a Glad to Be Alive challenge, and also it fell on her 100th video, so she's doing a kind of double celebration to just say thank you to the subscribers, and yeah, and I think she wants you to send an ATC, I believe, I could be wrong, and something that you like to make, I believe. So yeah, as I said, all details of these lovely ladies' channels will be down in the description below. And the other lady that I have is Cash, but her name is Caroline, but we all call her Cash. And oh, this lovely lady, she has again got victory over some bits and pieces that have been going on in her life. And you know, she is one strong woman, and she is back at her crafting table, as we all like to see, and she's doing a thank you giveaway, and she just wants you to send something in because she's got quite a few lovely new subscribers over the time that she was in hospital, and so she would like for you to send in something that she could have your name and address and things like that, so that she I'm assuming, and I'm sure, so she can send you out some happy mail, because you know that's what she's like. She loves to send people out some lovely happy mail. So guys, go over to these lovely ladies' channels and check them out. I'm going to leave their channel links in the description. Oh, also guys, I just wanted to let you all know, I'm not sure if you do know, Zushi Hushi hasn't been able to access her YouTube account, and she's actually had to start another one, which is a bit of a pain. So her new channel is Zushi Hushi 2. So if you want to go over and subscribe to her, and you can message her and she can get your messages. So yeah, it's just been a bit of a pain really. She's been kind of, I believe, locked out of her account. So guys, again, I will leave that link down below also to her new channel. So go over and subscribe to all these lovely ladies if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you. And last but not least, I've got this lovely book that came, a lovely happy mail that came in the mail for me today. Guys, I was literally blown away with it. and it's from the lovely Abbigale at Handmade by Abbigale. I will leave her channel also in the description below. And guys, she has made this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful folio. I believe it is from the Prima watercolor papers, and I will just go in and show you. Oh, before I do, she also made me this cute little card, and it says friends on it, and it's got some stickers, and it's raised, and it says beautiful day. And she's also used some of the washi sheets that have been in there, and she's just made this sweet little card. I just think it's so cute, and this little bow hair, and we've got some butterflies. And also she stuck a sticker on the envelope as well that says beautiful day, and I just think that's really cute, and I'm just really thankful to her. And also she's made this beautiful, beautiful folio. Now she's used, I know this is Nature Lovers lace, and she's cut one of the butterflies out here, and she's got some lovely flowers here. Oh, I can't see it. I should take this box away because it's actually got my address on it, so we will move that out of the way. But yeah, and it's just super, super lovely. She's put this lovely pink ribbon on the side here. I've already undone it, guys. And it was in a lovely pretty bow. And I'll show you even the back, the paper that she's used. And she's also gone around the edge with some distress ink, a lovely pink colour. And yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful. And then when you open it, she's made, so we've got some lovely pocket here, and we've got a pocket at the back, and we've got some lovely tags, guys. These could be actually bookmarks or tags. And she's just, and they're blank on the back, so you could, yeah, you could use them as tags, and you could write some lovely memories on the back there, guys. And she's put the same pink ribbon at the top, and I think those are absolutely beautiful. And I just want to say how sturdy this feels. It's really well made. And then on this side we've got a little card here, and it says just a girl growing wings. And then here we have a little card. It says confidence has no competition, and you could do some journaling. Oh, and she's laid this up because this feels super thick, and that just slots in there. And then in this pocket again we have some more tags and some journaling cards. This one says the new guide to rose culture, and it's beautifully done in this pink pastel colors, and we've got lovely birdhouse here with the butterflies. It's just beautiful. I think the paper itself is beautiful, to be honest. It's my favorite out of the ones that that Prima had come out with for this season. And then inside she's put a place, which I think is a brilliant idea, because I usually use a blank space, but then I suppose people would just think, oh, there's a blank space here. But she stamps a camera, so I know to put my pictures. This is where I can put some photos. And then this bit opens up. Actually, let me do the middle part. It does a sort of a concertina fold out, and it's got these beautiful pastel colors, the green and the pink and the blue inside for journaling. And then it flips over, and then we have this side also, which I think is so clever. I really love this design, the way that she's put this together, and it's so compact and neat. And also then you can open out this side, and we've got in the middle a lovely waterfall, and we can put quite a few pictures here and put some journaling as well, guys. Oh, I just absolutely love it. It's just so beautiful and so neat and well done. Because, you know, I don't know, with mine sometimes I think I'm quite messy with the glue. So yeah, I just absolutely love it. And then she's put this journaling card here. It says be yourself. And then she's got two photos again here, and I like the way that she's mounted them, and she's put them off center. I like that. And then we've got another journaling card here, and it says she wasn't looking for a knight, she was looking for a sword. And I just think that it's absolutely beautiful. It's so sturdy, guys, and oh, it's just really lovely, guys. Abbigale has made this so beautifully. I love it. I absolutely love it. So thank you again, Abbigale. I absolutely love it. Words can't explain that. I really appreciate you making it and sending it to me. I just love it. So guys, again, I will put all those lovely ladies channels in the description below. Please go over and follow them. They're lovely. They have really great ideas on crafting to inspire you and to use your papers that you buy, and I think all of them, actually every single one of the ladies that I've mentioned today, yeah, they just make some really beautiful craft, and they have a lovely heart, and in the way that they express it on their channels. Every single one of them I've taken to and really enjoyed watching their videos, so and I think you will too. So guys, go over and yeah, and go and check them out. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was a bit of a catch up. I did in my last video put in a surprise giveaway, a sneaky little giveaway, but I don't think anyone has kind of cottoned on to it yet, or maybe they didn't see it because I didn't actually speak about it. I just wrote it at the bottom. So I'm going to do it in this video, guys. If you can put the word sparkle into your comment, and then I will do a prize draw, and we will make it have the draw next week, Wednesday the 26th of May, and I'll have a lovely prize from my store. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.